has happened to such an amazing young boy? I had my whole life ahead.